The life insurance industry is changing faster right now than at any point in the last 20 years. And the advisors who understand where things are heading are the advisors who will dominate the next decade. So today, I'm going to give you a clear, insider-level look at the future of life insurance, what's changing, why it's changing, and how you can position yourself to win while everyone else is still selling like it's 2005. Let's get into it. The first major shift: wealthy clients no longer want products, they want strategy. For years, this industry has been obsessed with illustrations, features, riders, and bonuses. But wealthy clients don't care about any of that. They care about tax efficiency, liquidity, leverage, risk reduction, and long-term wealth preservation. So the future belongs to advisors who can explain life insurance as an integrated wealth strategy, not a standalone product. Let me ask you, when you meet with a successful client, do you talk about what the policy is, or what the policy achieves over the next 20 to 30 years? Only one of those conversations earns trust. The second shift: carriers are tightening, pricing is changing, and interest rates are reshaping everything. Cap rates, loan rates, multipliers, guarantees, all of it is evolving. And advisors who don't understand why these changes are happening will continue using outdated strategies. Winning advisors understand why caps drop, why loan spreads move, how rising rates impact leverage, and how structure protects the client in any market cycle. So here's the real question. Could you confidently explain these shifts to a CPA or attorney? Because ultra-high net worth clients expect you to. The third shift: premium finance is becoming mainstream, and demand is exploding. More business owners and wealthy families are using leverage to solve liquidity, tax, and legacy challenges. Premium finance isn't niche anymore. It's becoming a core tool in advanced planning. But the risk framing is everything. If you can explain premium finance like an investor, not like an agent, you immediately rise above 99% of advisors. Let me ask you, do you feel confident explaining premium finance clearly, without illustrations or jargon? Because that's the skill the future demands. The fourth shift: advisors without a COI ecosystem will disappear. The future of life insurance is collaboration-driven. CPAs, attorneys, bankers, wealth managers, these professionals already have the trust of ultra-high net worth clients, and the advisors who can speak their language and integrate into their planning system will control the market. Think about this. Who are the COIs already talking to your ideal clients, and what would need to change for them to see you as a strategic partner? The fifth shift: regulatory tightening is coming, and most advisors aren't ready. We are entering an era where regulators are placing more scrutiny on premium finance structures, illustration practices, interest rate assumptions, marketing language, and advisor competence in advanced planning. This isn't a maybe, it's already happening. The advisors who thrive in the next decade will be the ones who document suitability clearly, explain risks transparently, use conservative structuring, avoid unrealistic assumptions, and demonstrate real planning competency. Let me ask you something. If the regulatory environment tightened tomorrow, would your current process stand up to scrutiny? And would your cases still look as strong under more conservative assumptions? This shift alone will separate professionals from product pushers. The sixth shift: advisors must evolve from sellers to strategic thinkers. The future belongs to advisors who can ask better questions, explain complex ideas simply, frame risk intelligently, and connect life insurance to a broader wealth strategy. Wealthy clients want partners, not order takers. Here's the bottom line. The industry is changing. Client expectations are rising. Regulators are tightening. And the advisors who adapt now will dominate the next decade. If you want to learn how to speak the language of the future, the strategic presentations, the nepq questions, the COI frameworks, the premium finance architecture, and the compliance-proof positioning, that's exactly what we teach inside the JMac Method Academy. But before you go, drop a comment and tell me, which of these 6 shifts do you feel you need the most help with? I'll break it down in a future video.